Hello guys, it's Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Sri Lanka. The link and coupon will be in the description and open description, yes. And click on voyafly.com eSIM links and open this page, website, and click on this and write Sri Lanka and click on this, open new page. Settings, eSIM, high-speed 4G, 5G data, no downloads registration, keep your WhatsApp number. Instant activation under 5 minutes. This service is number one for eSIM. Very good service, the best. Alright. And click on choose data type, unlimited or fixed. Fixed data and this position and click on unlimited data. I am selected unlimited data and choose a speed plan light, speed or plus. I'm recommend plus plan and select your days. I'm select 30 days. Alright, and select amount eSIM, 1 eSIM, 2 eSIM, 4 eSIM, and I'm select 1 eSIM and click on buy it now. Open new page and write discount code ROM tips and click on apply. Order discount ROM tips this dollars is very good and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM or write contact email, payment and billing address and click on Pay now. Open new page and buy a SIM and send your email address, QR code, instruction revision and that's all. eSIM is work. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.